Hi, I'm Jang Jin Hong. My student ID is B1902001C.
Hi, my name is Lai Wen Hui. My student ID is B190334C.
Hi, my name is Alice Maria Joel and my ID number is B190336C.
Hi, my name is Shan Yuan. My student ID is B2001118B.
Hi, I am Alice. My student ID is B200119B.
My name is Liu Ruiting and my student ID is B210159B.
Virus of Covid-19 has spread to many countries. Let's now watch the video.
And I'm going to present on introduction. Compensation and benefits are essential factors of an employee's delight at a place of work as they immediately impact a worker's overall performance and motivation to work. Next, benefits on the other hand consult with a non-monetary praise given to a worker as a token of appreciation for his or her work. Some advantages which can be popular among employees are flexible work timing, the possibility to work remotely, get admission to health card membership, and catered food as well as a casual dress code. While benefit might not offer direct cash to the worker, they are critical to draw talents to a corporation.
Thank you, Alice. Now, I want to talk about the impacts of compensation and benefits to employees during the COVID-19. One of the impacts of compensation and benefits to the employee during the COVID-19 is reduce the employee salaries. Many businesses began to lose money since they had no profits during the MCO period. During the MCO period, many organizations choose to lower employee salaries. Some organizations will cover half of their employee salaries, while others may just cover a portion of their salaries. The salaries decrease can assist the organizations to reduce losses, but it has an impact on the employees' compensations. Besides, salary reduction will also have an impact on employees' living. Because the MCO period is becoming longer, many organizations are deciding to lay off workers because they are unable to operate at this MCO period. According to a survey conducted by the Federation of Nation Manufacturers, more than half of 490 organizations reported a loss in income of more than 50%. This has resulted in enterprises being unable to maintain in the MCO period.
The next impact of compensation and benefits to employees during the COVID-19 is free coverage for testing COVID-19. To help employees, Malaysia government has come up two sections. The first section is 24J sub F, Workers' Minimum Standards of Housing and Amenity Act 1990, Act 446, and the second section is Prevention and Control of Infectious Diseases Act 1988, Act 342. According to these two acts, the employers need to bear all the costs of immunization-related expenses, and it also allows to screen employees for COVID-19 tests by not having them go to the hospital when they are working. Besides that, employers also need to provide and update the health plan to employees during COVID-19. Health plans help employees who pay their swab tests can claim from their company, and free coverage for tests can protect employees from exposure COVID-19 in their workplace and ensure the workforce safety. Last, free coverage for testing COVID-19 can help employees reduce their burden to pay swab test fee. This is because the company provides free swab tests to employees and employees' family who are suspended cases.
Thank you, Lai Wenhui. Now I will share the part of the retirement plans. The outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic, related lockdowns, and related economic recession are affecting retirement plans. First, the impact of the pandemic on retirement plans is that employees' confidence in their retirement preparation has dropped. According to the EPF, only 3% of Malaysians are able to retire. The negative attitude of employees towards retirement planning during the epidemic is one of the factors that affect their failure to make a good retirement plan. Second, the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on retirement plans is the expectation of employees for retirement protection. Since Malaysians lack financial knowledge, they have a very short horizon for retirement planning. This leads them to face an unsafe retirement life, especially for low-income employees. Many low-income employees have no habit of saving, so it is the last reason for them to withdraw funds from various plans such as ICNO. However, for employees who are no saving, it is equivalent to affecting their retirement plans. That's all part for me. Now I will pass to next member, Shan Yuan, present.
Thank you, 7C. Today I will present the maintaining benefit to employees during COVID-19. Every employer would know that employees are facing a difficult time, not only in terms of salary reduction, but also in terms of other life pressure. Employers first need to have empathy. By having empathy, they can try to understand the issue from the employee's perspective. Supporting employees at work is also key to helping them tie through the pandemic. Employers' demonstration can have a big effect on the attitude of an employee to work. By focusing on employees' well-being, it gives them a sense of security and ease worker through the difficult times. Lastly, benefit can be improved on or add to better suit the employees' need. Flexible working hour and mental health support are some of the top choice currently among employers. That is my presentation. Now I need to pass to my next member, Ting.
Thank you, Jing Hong. I will share the solution about the impact of retirement to employees during the COVID-19.
When employees encounter financial problems during COVID-19, they can withdraw funds, but it will affect the employee's life after retirement. It is because during the COVID-19, employees have suffered salary cut, and the government has also reduced the percentage of employees' provident fund that need to be paid. The solution of this impact is employee can continue to work beyond the legal retirement
Besides
age.
that, government also encourage retirees to return to work. Our neighboring country, Singapore, is attached great importance to this subject. We can refer to the method used in Singapore, including holding publicity lecture and providing tax rebate for re-employment of retirees by private companies. However, our society is different from Singapore society because there are still many young labor resources in the market that need employment opportunity. Therefore, after retirement, the elderly is encouraged to engage in gig economy or freelancer type work. The government can also play a leading role and provide more corresponding training courses. The people with higher financial literacy are better able to prepare for retirement. Financial knowledge can also enhance the ability to respond to emergency expenditure and shock from emergency. The government or employers can also provide employees with relevant lecture.
I'm going to talk on the conclusion. In conclusion, compensation and benefit are equally important in enhancing workers' well-being in contingent conditions such as COVID-19 lockdown. Compensation and benefits for personnel at some stage in lockdown situation should involve the inclusion of employees or their representatives in planning charge measures earlier than they are communicated. Then, employees need to be aware satisfactory information on the compensation they receive, the fee arrangement or activities, and the compensation need to be paid well timed during lockdown. Employees also need to continue to offer compensation, payment packages, or method basis out need to help personnel cope up, and the fees ought to be regular.
Thank you for listening to our presentation.